In this video, I'll show you how to utilize the inputs in the mixer of the Carina Wireless Microphone Kit. This video assumes that you have updated your firmware and installed your Carina Wireless Microphone Kit. I'll link in the description field below to detailed videos for these prerequisites. You can use your Carina classroom speakers to play audio from your laptop and other various devices with the Carina Wireless Microphone Kit. You will need an audio source, I am using my iPad here, and a 3.5 millimeter jack that will connect from the mixer to my audio source. I will plug in my audio source, and then I will select a LineIn 1 or LineIn 2 of my mixer. Now I will press the enable button and the corresponding line that I have plugged in my sound source from, and then I can start my sound. And I can adjust the volume through the input line 1 volume or knob on the wall panel. And yes, I can have both line 1, line 2, and the microphone on simultaneously. And that is how you utilize the LineIn 1 and LineIn 2 and your microphone simultaneously with your Carina Wireless Microphone Kit.